Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on number line inequations. We can graph the solution of an inequation on the number line. So let's have a look at two examples. Graph the solution of each inequation on a number line. The first one is 3m plus 5 is greater than 8. So as in the normal solving of an inequation or an equation, we firstly have to see that that's plus 5, so we subtract 5 from both sides. So that's this line here. When this line is simplified, we have 3m is greater than 3. What we do now, we divide each side by 3. And after you've done that, that gives us m is greater than 1. So in the last video, we only solved the inequation. But in this video, as well as solving the inequation, we also graph the solution on a number line. So we're looking at m is greater than 1. So we're looking at all the numbers to the right-hand side of 1. And that's how we graph it on the number line. You'll notice here there's a circle which is open. When you have the greater than sign, the circle is open, which means it does not include 1. If that was a less than sign, the circle would still be open. So it doesn't matter whether it's a greater than or a less than. The circle is always open. That tells you that it does not include that particular number, but it's everything above that number. Let's look at number 2. 5w minus 3 is less than or equal to 12. We add 3 to both sides. That keeps the inequation balanced. After that is simplified, we get to this line here. So we have 5w is less than or equal to 15. Now we know in our head we divide both sides by 5. I could have included that line, but at this stage of our development, we know that we can do this quickly and automatically. So that gives us w is less than or equal to 3. Now you notice here we have a less than or equal to, and that's why the circle is filled in. When the circle is filled in, it means that it includes the 3. And because it's a less than sign, it's everything to the left-hand side. So this video has shown us how to firstly solve an inequation and how to graph the solution on a number line. When you have a greater than or a less than sign, the circle is not filled in. When you have greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, the circle is filled in.